Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you some Dollar Tree home essentials you probably didn't know existed. The Dollar Tree is filled with hidden gems in every single aisle, but they have some of the best affordable home products. They have everything you need for gardening, kitchen essentials, organization products, cleaning supplies. They have it all, and everything is just $1.25. So I hope this video gives you some ideas on what you should pick up next time you're shopping at the Dollar Tree. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now, the Dollar Tree always has these really great travel size bottles and containers, perfect for putting in your shampoo and conditioner and taking it on your travels. But I think these are perfect for a guest room. If you really want to make your space feel welcoming and complete for when your guests arrive, you can have these things ready in the bathroom, filled up, looking gorgeous. So this little set of 3 comes with 2 bottles and a spray bottle, and then this comes with 3 regular bottles. So there's some variation there. Again, each pack is $1.25. Can't get better than that. So anytime you can find basic products like this at the Dollar Tree, clear bottles with a white cap, it just gives you this elevated look that looks clean, tidy, and organized no matter what. Now, if you want to make your cluttered cupboards look instantly better, like you're shopping at a store, you need these little tiered shelves. These add that necessary height to the items at the back of your shelf so that you can see everything that you have and access it so much easier. These are perfect to put in those cupboards where you have a lot of something like cleaning supplies, makeup products, and spices. If you put one of these in, it will make such a big difference. I love using these in my linen closet to really organize all of my guest room supplies and all of my extra things. They're just such a great way to really make the most of this small space that you have. Did you know that you can get a lot of your basic DIY supplies from the Dollar Tree? DIY projects are supposed to be affordable, and you can make them even more affordable by shopping your supplies at the Dollar Tree. I love picking up just basic tool sets like this. These are screwdrivers. You have pretty much everything you need, but these aren't just your basic screwdriver. They're actually magnetic screwdrivers, so that's even better. It makes doing your project so much easier, so you're not losing screws, and it just makes everything go faster. So getting an entire set of 4 for just $1.25 is quite the deal. And I always pick up my painting supplies from the Dollar Tree. They have trays for $1.25. These are great because you're gonna go through them if you're working on a room design project or you're painting any space. You don't want to be paying any more than $1.25 for a basic tray. You can also pick up a little set like this for small projects and even furniture flips. This whole set comes with a tray, a foam roller, a brush, and gloves, all for $1.25. They have measuring tapes, they have all the tiny screwdrivers you would need, tape, everything. Now, these aren't expert level supplies, but they will just get the job done. So if you have moved into your first home and you need some supplies, maybe you're starting a little project and you're not trying to spend a lot of money, I would check out the DIY aisle at the Dollar Tree. It's pretty much a mini Home Depot. I think you're gonna be quite shocked. They have pretty much everything you need to get started. Now for a little budget-friendly decorating hack. If you wanna hang small art around your home, maybe in your bathroom or a hallway, or you want to create a gallery wall like this, where you have smaller prints mixed into larger prints, just shop your small photo frames at the Dollar Tree. These were $1.25 each, and trust me, elsewhere you'll be paying upwards of $15. So I highly recommend cutting costs where you can. You can put a beautiful piece of art in a basic black frame like this, and you'd never know the difference. You'd never know it's from the Dollar Tree. This one even comes with a nice mat inside, so it actually adds a little bit more of a high-end look. I would recommend just getting neutral frames like this, black, dark wood, any kind of neutral color. They do have a lot of metallic finishes and colors, and those are the ones I would stay away from because they look like they're from the Dollar Tree. You're trying to make it look like your frames are not from the Dollar Tree. So basic pieces like this can really elevate your home, and you never know that you got them for $1.25. Now, I love little organizers that help you make the most of your small cupboard space and really help with storage. I think this little hanging rod is the perfect solution for adding more storage. This can hang on the back or the front of your cupboard and add extra towel space, or you can use it to hang your cleaning supplies. This is also a renter-friendly way of creating that vertical hanging storage space. I love that this is something that you can add to any cupboard door in your kitchen, laundry room, or bathroom, and really make the most of that vertical hanging space. Now, these collapsible storage bins are perfect for small space organization. You can use them when you need and store them away when you don't. It instantly turns into a full-size storage bin where you can hold clothes, toilet paper, extra supplies, store away things when you need, and then simply collapse it when you don't, and it takes up very minimal space. So any kind of collapsible storage is going to be the best when you're working with a small space or a large space. They're just very practical, easy to use, easy to store, and hold everything that you need. Now that spring is near, the Dollar Tree has a ton of gardening essentials, and I wish I knew this last year because I did some simple potting, some simple gardening last year for my patio projects, and I didn't have everything I needed. I found all of the great tools from the Dollar Tree and saved so much money. Simple garden rakes for $1.25. You can find simple shovels for $1.25. They even have a really nice grip on the handle, so it's not uncomfortable and it definitely doesn't feel cheap. They also have really great gardening gloves with all the fantastic grip on the back, and I thought this was super cool. This is a kneeling pad. This is exactly what you need when you're sitting on the ground gardening. You don't want to hurt your knees and scuff up your skin, so it's just a simple pad, and this will just make gardening so much more enjoyable. This is something you wouldn't think to buy or think is necessary, but once you have it, it's gonna change everything. Now, another thing I really love is baking. I love baking for friends and family, if it's their birthday, if we're going over to their house. So I love to see that the Dollar Tree has some really great baking supplies. I saw that they have all the different colors of decorating icing already tubed, ready to go. They even have cake boards, which I really appreciate because you can make it look like you bought a cake for someone and then it's all professional by just putting your baked goods on a cake board. And to take it a step further, they even have boxes. So you can make homemade goods and box them in Dollar Tree boxes. These are little cookie boxes where you can see right through them, add a little label, and then this simple white one. They had sprinkles in every color, they had little icing gels, and they even had these little decorating tips so you can make flowers and designs. I used to work at a bakery, so this stuff just really excites me, and I love that you can get it for less. I didn't realize the Dollar Tree had all this, and I went to Michael's the other day to get it all and spent way too much money on all of these basic supplies. So trust me, save your money and find all of these great baking products at the Dollar Tree. Now, if you have any wood furniture around your home that has scuffs and scrapes and dings and you're finding it to be distracting to look at, you can actually give your piece a second life with these little furniture scratch markers. I've talked about these before, but I was shocked to see them at the Dollar Tree. They have them for every type of wood finish as well. This is the lighter pack that has oak, maple, and cherry. So if you have any pieces that are in that color scheme, you can use these. They're also waterproof, so you're not going to be able to wash them off as you're cleaning your surfaces. It's going to be something that lasts, so you can just color in your scratches and it will take away the appearance of them. For $1.25, this really makes a big difference if you have any furniture that you might have thought was ruined. Now, if you want to make your home look pristine and clean, you need to take off all of the scuffs and marks and fingerprints off of your walls. If you have pets and kids, this is definitely going to be useful as well. These are quick erasers and they're pretty much the dupe to the magic eraser, but they're $1.25 for a pack of 3. So it's super affordable and you can just stock up on these. These will do the exact same thing as a magic eraser and take away all the marks off your walls and surfaces. I love easy, quick cleaning, and that's exactly what these do. So I highly recommend them if you haven't tried them already. And lastly, we've always known that the Dollar Tree sells balloons. These are very easy to find at every single Dollar Tree. But did you know that they sell all the different decorating kits so that you can build arches and flowers and designs? I had no idea. I'm someone that always decorates for people's birthdays. I put up streamers, balloon arches. I'm an at-home birthday type of girl, and if I only knew that the Dollar Tree sold these products, I would have saved myself a lot of money. So they have these balloon clips so that you can make flower designs, which is so exciting. This comes with 10 of the clips inside to create flowers, which is so much fun. They also have the balloon arches, very easy to use, very easy to accomplish that Pinterest design. If you have a balloon arch strip, you just tuck all the balloons into the strip and you instantly have an arch. It's so easy. They also have balloon glue, which are just little dots that you can attach to your balloons and stick them to the wall. So these are perfect for at-home birthday parties and at-home celebrations. If you're someone that hosts events like that or decorates for people's birthdays, you definitely need to check out their balloon accessory section. I couldn't even believe that they had all of those things that are usually quite expensive elsewhere. So if you're an avid Dollar Tree shopper, you might have known these pieces existed, but if you're not, I hope this opened you up to the world of Dollar Tree. They have so much more than you could ever imagine, and I think you'd find exactly what you're looking for just $1.25. Let me know down below in the comments what your favorite product from today's video was and what's your favorite thing to buy at the Dollar Tree. Also, very, very exciting news just to keep you guys in the loop. Christian and I did get engaged over the weekend. I am so excited. I can't wait to tell you guys all about it. We're going to be sharing the entire engagement story next week on our podcast channel. We chat every single week on our podcast. It's called Chris and Chris. And this upcoming week, we're going to be sharing our entire engagement story. Anyways, if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have your notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.